Hello guys. Today I will show you two mechanisms of Lego vending machines. Now let's see how they work first. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you don't miss any of my latest videos. Thanks for subscribing. When you put a coin in and then rotate the gear up and down, you will get a marble. Even if I shake it, I can't get the marble. This is where to get the coins. You need to use a coin that is roughly the same diameter as 3 Lego buttons. If the diameter is less than 3 Lego buttons, the coin will fall as soon as you insert the coin and you will not get a marble. Well, let's see its mechanism. And this is the second Lego vending machine. Similar to the first Lego vending machine, this Lego machine also won't release anything if you don't put coins in. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.